explore network innovation. Let's have 1-1 and please join me to introduce the Chief Sales and Marketing Officer, Mr. Vince Tabi.
So we're actually the experts in subscription-based infrastructure. Okay, so ano yun? Okay, subscription-based infrastructure because if you're not familiar, no, a recent law has been passed. So merong batas na recently lang pinas, yung Konektadong Pinoy. Konektadong Pinoy Act is actually gives all the ISPs operating, whether small, big or small, the equal chance, no, to serve our customers with internet connectivity. Okay, that's the great equalizer after this law. Okay. Ngayon, itong mga ISPs na ito, meron tong pinakamalaking challenge na kinakaharap. Okay? Most of them, if not all, will have challenge in producing the capital o yung puhunan para maging modern, mas maging faster, mas maging mas robust yung kanilang network. So they're struggling really to upgrade their network and to do the tech refresh. And sa totoo lang, ang labanan ngayon sa mga ISPs, lalo na yung mga nasa probinsya, pagandaan ng serbisyo, pabilisan, di ba, ng internet, at pabilisan magkabit. Okay? Kasi pag hindi ka mabilis magkabit at tutulog-tulog ka, malamang doon sa kalaban yon mag-subscribe. Okay? And that's actually where 1-1 can help these ISPs to compete, to be able to compete, no? With the more established na providers. Okay. Sabi nga nila, yung mga malalaking kumpanya ngayon, they're now shifting to the subscription model. They're now, they're not anymore buying boxes. So hindi na sila bumibili ng equipment. Pero ngayon, kasi nauso yung subscription, yung parang rent to own. Okay. Para mas makaka-relate ang lahat, para mas maganda yung analogy, I'm comparing this to the Pinoy concept of rent to own. Okay, so rent to own bahay, pwedeng rent to own din ng kotse, ano pa bang pwedeng i-rent to own. But basically, the concept is you will be able to acquire a property or your house and lot with no capital outlay. So parang nag-uupa ka lang. Umuupa ka lang muna, and then eventually, after 10 years or 15 years, depende dun sa term ng loan mo, you'll be able to own the house. Okay? So ano yung mga features nito? So no capital outlay. Wala kayo lalabas sa malaking down payment. And then affordable yung monthly payment. Depende kung gano'ng kalaki yung iyong capacity to pay. Okay? And then of course, habang nandun ka sa kontrata na yon, merong fire and calamity insurance included. Okay? And then, as I've said earlier, ownership at the end of the term. So ganon yung konsepto ng rent to own. So let me just port that or take that concept and apply it to rent-to-own network equipment. And that's 1-1. That's what 1-1 does. We do rent-to-own network equipment. So again, no capital outlay, affordable monthly payments, may fire and calamity insurance din, and you own the equipment at the end of the term. Ang pagkakaiba lang, we offer, and wait, there's more. Okay, so we offer a lot more on top of the rent-to-own. Okay, and this is the 1-1 guarantee. So yung on-premise network infrastructure subscription model, we design, we build, we secure, and we run the equipment for you. as if wala kayo na kayong gagawin, kundi silbihan na lang yung customers nyo papunta sa mga bahay nila. We'll be the one to take care of the management, operation, and maintenance of the equipment that we provide for you, which you're paying monthly on a equal monthly payments as a subscription. And then we assure the uptime of your equipment 99.99% of the time because we're fully redundant, robust, carrier-grade network equipment that we will provide for you. And of course, it's supported 24/7 by our Network Operations Center. So imagine that, parang ganito yan eh. Parang yung bahay mo na nire-rent to own mo, pag may nasira, ginagawa pa namin. Kami nang gagawa. Okay? Kami na rin magsisecure. Naglalagay na kami ng CCTV. So parang ganon. So kami na magpipinta para hindi maluma yung bahay. Okay? So that's what we do. So on top of the rent-to-own scheme, we also do the services around the subscription. So ganun lang kasimple. Okay, so that's the 1-1 guarantee. No obsolescence. Okay? We assure the uptime of the equipment that we provide by providing you 24/7 Network Operations Center support. Okay? So that's pretty much the sweetest deal you can find in the market today. So meron siguro, may makikita kayo, nagpa-finance, di ba? They offer it for installment, pero walang kasamang services. Managed services at that. So managed services, we do everything for you, manage, operate, and maintain for you. Okay? And that's the 1-1 guarantee. Okay. So this is how we see our ecosystem relationship with our customers. So of course, we design and then deploy and then operate, and then try to study with you how you can scale up your operations. And then when we find out that your current design and your current setup is no longer sufficient or di na sapat para doon sa growing number of customers nyo, dumadami na, so kailangan nating i-scale up. So that's also part of the 1-1 infrastructure subscription model. So pag merong kailangan na i-upgrade, hindi nyo rin problema yon. I-upgrade na namin as part of the contract. Okay, of course, magkakaroon ng konting bump up dun sa monthly subscription, pero you don't need to worry about obsolescence. So alam mo naman yung mga technology ngayon, after 1 year, obsolete na yon. May bagong iPhone 17, may palabas ng iPhone 18 after a year. So that's how technology is. And this is very important, especially dun sa mga ISPs that are here. Okay, sino mga ISPs dito? Meron ba? Okay. May nakangiti si Sir, may mga familiar faces dito eh. Okay, because ISPs in the Philippines are actually underserving our people. Based on statistics, 83% ng Pilipino ay connected sa internet. Pero hindi lahat yung 86% nun ay masaya sa mga connection na meron sila. Okay? So 86% siguro, ilan ba tayo? 120 million ng Pilipino. So yung 83% is roughly around 96 million. So 96 million, in fairness, 96 million na ang nakaka-Facebook, nakaka-internet, nakaka-YouTube, pero hindi sila masaya. Bakit ka mo? Mabagal. Lalo na dun sa mga far-flung provinces na hindi maabot ng mga high-end, na mga providers. So ang mga nagsuserve sa kanila yung mga local ISPs. Yung mga local ISPs natin, hindi pa sila masyadong empowered kasi nga may malaking kapital na kailangan. So that's why we're reaching out to our regional ISP operators. So talk to us kung meron kayong pagkakataon to drop by our booth. Okay, we're offering a free Ito, basta free, may ligang Pilipino eh. Free infrastructure audit. Okay? So if you're, if you're interested in taking your infrastructure to the next level of connectivity and performance, so you can actually approach us. We offer free infrastructure audit. We will help you. And we will find out together ano yung bottleneck sa inyong mga network, and we will try to solve we will solve it with you. Okay, with your help and with your inputs, we will try to come up with the best solution for your networking requirement. So basta yung mga nag-register sa QR code. So anyway, 5 lang yung mananalo ng GCash. But of course, we keep that database, and all of you who registered can actually go to our booth over there, yung mukhang gas station. Huwag kayong order ng diesel doon. Walang diesel. Ubus ng diesel, mahal. So you can actually drop by our booth, go there, and try to talk to someone na naka-jacket ng 1-1. You can actually ask them for help, no? Or at least schedule this, because this will not be one-time, one-sitting activity. We have to schedule it, pag-usapan, and medyo tahimik, medyo hindi tahimik dito medyo maingay. So we'll try to help you, no, and find out and do a discovery together of what needs to be done to take your network infrastructure to the next level.